My name's Ellie Mole. Very light sensitive, and my sense of touch as well is very, very sensitive. I've got very, very sensitive skin and things, so I can feel if there's particles of dust in the air, I can feel them on my face. Things like if it rains, it hurts, it burns my skin. If people touched my arms when I'm like having a bad day or whatever, it'll burn my skin and leave a mark. There's just loads of sensory things like processing other people's speech. I can usually kind of hear the middle bit of the sentence, but I have to kind of guess the start and finish of it sometimes, so I can kind of get the wrong end of the stick and get a bit confused like that with what's going on in a conversation. I didn't recognise it as that, but I get a lot of physical symptoms that I didn't quite put together with the thoughts. So yeah, it's more just a feeling of being very overwhelmed and not being able to cope and feeling like all you want to do is disappear and end up in a dark room with no one and no kind of stimulation, and so yeah, it gets a bit overwhelming sometimes.